Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. We've made it, we're here, we're at Force Motorsport. The car's here, it's made it, it's in one piece still, thankfully. You saw us last time strip it all out. Next step for us is putting the roll cage in. It's a bit above our pay grade. I'm no welder, Dave, can you weld?
Terribly.
Yeah, so not for us, not for us. So the guys at Force Motorsport have said they'll help us out and put it in for us. We've got the roll cage here.
Yeah, the cage has come from Racecraft Engineering in Christchurch. They actually bought an M300 and they've used it as a dummy to create this cage. It comes with obviously the main hoop, the back stays, it comes with the front hoop and the side hoops. We'll be adding a few extra bars to it, like side intrusion bars and that sort of thing, and a seatbelt mounting bar on the back. Basically, that's quite an economical way to do it. They can spit these out daily if they want to. So yeah, as it comes down past the screen, we will gusset that into the side of the car to give it some extra strength. Of course, the thing about a roll cage is it's not just providing, of course its number one priority is to provide safety to the occupants in the case of a crash. It's also going to incredibly stiffen up the car. You know, production cars, monocoque shells like this, they all have a bit of twist in them.
They flex a lot. You don't think it. You think they're a big solid.
Yeah, but actually, especially a front drive car like this, which will often be up on three wheels with the rear off the ground. You know, the whole car itself has a certain amount of flex in it. So by putting the roll cage in and mounting it to points like the rear guards there, putting a bar across there, what you're doing is you're just creating an incredibly stiff car, which is what we want for a race car. So our 6-point kit set roll cage, which came up from Christchurch, is now not a bunch of bent tubes, but actually a roll cage fitted into the car. Kane's done a fantastic job. He's a very, very skilled welder, and it's really important that whoever you get to make your cage is a skilled welder, because you're relying on that cage for strength and reliability and to save your life in the case of an accident. And of course, down the A pillar, what Kane's also done in additional to this cage is he's put gusseting from the cage to the A pillar. That certainly makes it a much stronger cage. The seatbelt anchorages have been a welded plate to the floor, and then the seatbelt mounting points are bolted through there. In the case of the seat mounts, we designed the cage around the seating position. So once we decided that, it was a matter of putting the seat mounts in so that we can position the seat with as much adjustability as we require, but also these are incredibly strong. So just one last thing to do, and that is to paint it, but that's for another day.